How's it going, Nashville? It is Nick Herrera again with Plumbing Solutions. A question our technicians get all the time: how do I make my water heater last longer? Well, the easiest solution is to simply insulate your water heater. You can increase efficiency by 40% and extend its life. You'll also want to routinely flush the tank. This prevents sediment buildup, which can also extend the life too. However, to get the most out of your water heater, invest in routine plumbing maintenance from our experienced technicians right here at Plumbing Solutions.